Replacing or installing new windows is one of the most valuable home improvement projects you can take on. For Melville homeowners, quality windows enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase property value. However, even the best windows can underperform if installed incorrectly. Avoiding common mistakes during installation is the key to ensuring your investment pays off for years to come. Skipping professional help. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is attempting window installation without the proper experience or tools. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is a precise job that requires skill. A poorly installed window can lead to air leaks, water damage, and higher energy bills. Hiring a licensed and insured professional in Melville ensures the job is done correctly and that your warranty remains valid. Choosing the wrong window size. It may seem obvious, but size is one of the most common issues during window installation. A window that's even slightly too large or too small can cause gaps, stress on the frame, or difficulty opening and closing. Accurate measurements are essential before ordering. Professionals often measure multiple times to account for uneven walls or settling in older homes, which are common in the Melville area. Ignoring local climate conditions. Melville experiences a variety of weather, from chilly winters to humid summers. Choosing windows that aren't suited to the local climate is a costly mistake. For example, failing to select energy-efficient windows with proper insulation can lead to drafts and higher heating or cooling expenses. Homeowners should look for double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames designed to withstand seasonal changes. Overlooking proper sealing and insulation. Even if your window fits perfectly, improper sealing can undermine its performance. Skipping insulation or using the wrong type of caulking allows moisture and air to enter, leading to mold growth, water damage, or reduced energy efficiency. Insulation materials should be chosen carefully, and the sealing process must be done with precision to keep your Melville home comfortable year-round. Failing to check for structural issues before installing new windows. It's important to examine the surrounding wall and frame for damage. Rotted wood, moisture problems, or structural weaknesses can go unnoticed if you rush the installation. Ignoring these issues can lead to costly repairs later on. A professional installer will assess the entire area, ensuring the foundation is solid before the new window is secured in place. Improper alignment. A window that isn't level or plumb doesn't just look bad, it also won't function properly. Poor alignment can cause sticking, drafts, or uneven wear on the frame. Using shims and specialized tools ensures that windows are perfectly balanced. This small detail makes a big difference in performance and longevity. Forgetting about ventilation and safety. When focusing on appearance and energy savings, homeowners sometimes overlook how windows affect ventilation and safety. Properly installed windows should open and close easily, provide adequate airflow, and comply with safety standards. For bedrooms and living areas, ensure that emergency egress windows are installed to meet building codes in Melville. Neglecting aesthetics. And home-style windows aren't just functional, they're a major design element. Choosing a style or finish that clashes with your home's architecture can hurt curb appeal. Melville's mix of modern and traditional homes means it's important to select windows that complement your property's character while also meeting performance needs. Rushing the installation process. Finally, rushing the installation is a common but costly mistake. Cutting corners to save time can result in sloppy work that affects both appearance and functionality. Taking the proper time for careful measurement, preparation, and finishing ensures your windows will perform at their best for decades. Final thoughts for homeowners in Melville. Window installation is an investment that requires careful planning and attention to detail. Avoiding these common mistakes, whether it's improper sizing, poor sealing, or skipping professional help, will save you money, stress, and energy in the long run. By working with experienced installers and choosing the right products, you can enjoy beautiful, energy-efficient windows that add value and comfort to your home.